Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money online with Western Union. So, we are going to head over westernunion.com, and the first thing that we are going to do in this website, we're going to click on register. Why? Because we need to keep the track of the amount or the money that we have sent. Of course, we need that in case we have sent it into the wrong place. We're going to have here a specific account so we can go ahead and get some complaints or some issues solved within the support team. So you're going basically here to click on register, and after that, you're going to log in into your account. Once you have logged in, you're going to see this specific, as you can see, page. Now, what are we going to do, and what can we do in here is to set up by the money by clicking on send money, and you are going to see here. So you can go ahead and click on the country that you're going to send to. For example, we're going to send from our country to here, let's see, maybe France. So we are going to send for France. So we are going to put the amount that we are going to send, for example, $500 in our country or the local country that we are in, and the amount that we are going to receive. For example, I'm going to put here 500 euros. So it is going to be something like that. We can send up to $5,000, as you can see, and you can see here the rate that you're going to get into the specific platform. Now, at the right side of the screen, we are going to see this blue paper or this blue page, which is going to be representing the summary. So we are going to see the exchange rate and also the transfer amount and the transfer fee and the promo discount if we can add, for example, a promo add one, and also the transfer amount and the total. So in here, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to explain something about the transfer fees. So since it is going to be the first time that you're going to transfer, it is going to apply zero fees. And that is going to be mentioned in here. So you are going to see register now to get a better exchange rate, which is going to be the case in here as compared best rate, and zero fee on your first online transfer internationally. So you're going to get zero because it is going to be a new account. So aside from that, you're going to see how does the receiver wants the money. If they are going to be wanting the money for their bank account, a debit card, or a cash pickup. So basically, as you know, Western Union has a lot of cash pickups or a lot of points or pickup points. They call them the cash pickups. So you are going to set them the location that you are going to set it near them, and they are going to collect the money from it, for example. Or you can go ahead and put their debit card. So the money will be sent to the receiver, Visa card or MasterCard, debit card, of course. And also, you can see the most popular in here, which is going to be the bank account. And here, as you can see, every time that you're going to change the receiver, let's say here pickup, it is going to be changing the amount of the rate. As you can see for the bank account, it is going to be something put here. So you're going to see that. And if you're going to put, if for example, debit card, it is going to change the rate. And for the cash pickup, also it is going to be changing. Now, let's say that we are going to have here a cash pickup, which is going to be the, in my thinking, it is going to be the popular, not the bank account, but it is going to be dependent. If the receiver has a bank account, it is going to be popular and logical to send the money with the bank account, and how you are going to pay that specific money. So either by cash in store, so you are going to head over the stores of Western Unions or the pickup points, and you're going to pay the cash or the amount that you're going to send. So you're going to start your transfer online to lock in exchange rate and fees. Then you're going to head over Western Union agent location with the pay in store feature instead activated service. within 12 hours that you have reserved that specific amount and also the transfer. And then you're going to put or set up the agent and give it the money. And then you're going to bring the cash and your photo ID. So no paper form is going to be demanded, and you're going to receive a fee with this one of $8. So the process is going to take only 1 business day. If you're going to do it online, you're going to see here that we have a variety of options like paying with our credit cards, our debit cards, our bank account, and also our Google Pay. Here, the least convenient one or the least not wanted one is going to be the credit card because we have here a $13 fee for the debit card and also bank, and the Google Pay is going to be zero, I think. So here, the fastest ones or the faster ones are going to be the debit card and Google Pay, and the least faster one is going to be the bank account. When you finish that, you're going to click on continue, for example, and then you're going to accept the terms and services. And depending on the specific receiver that you're going to put, you're going to here um, complete the fields like the receiver first name, last name, street, the address of the city, the region, the postal code, the email address, the country code, and also the phone number, which is going to be optional, as you can see, but I see that it is something crucial. And also the IBAN of that specific person. Then you're going to click on continue. Basically, that was the receiver, let's say here, information. You're going to head over the payment, review everything, and get the receipt. So you're going to pay with it. For example, if you're going to head over a cash or a pickup a point or a sending point or something like that. And when you finish the process, you can go ahead and head over the menu, and you can go ahead and click here on the top or on the header of the menu. I'm going to show you here something which is going to be a track the transfer. So this is the track transfer. You're going to get the tracking number on your receipt, and then you can go ahead and track and see if the money has been picked up, or let's say here on the way or something like that. So it is going to be very effective to track the money and the amount that you have sent to that specific person. So aside from that, you can use also Western Union for paying bills and etc. And that is going to be something okay. So you can go ahead and click on pay bills, or you can also pick up a cash in the pickup points right there. Also, the Western Union has a lot of things to offer, or a lot of let's say features. So you can check up your history and also reclaim a something that is going wrong. For example, when you are going to see the track the transfer, and you see that something is going to be abnormal right there, you can go ahead and get something or your sender tracking number, or the MTCN as it is called, or the receiver. If you are going to receive the number or the amount, you are going to get an MTCN, which is going to be on the receipt, and that is something that you're going to get your rights set up. So aside from that, it is going to be very simple to send money within the Western Union. We have multiple options, different categories of solutions, and also different ways to pay things. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.